Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back into the golden age of American automobiles to explore a truly iconic piece of Mopar history, the 1958 Plymouth Plaza. This was Plymouth's entry-level full-size car, but it still carried plenty of character, style, and power. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and finally wrap up with a conclusion. The first thing you notice about the 1958 Plymouth Plaza is its bold and unmistakable exterior styling. It carried the famous, forward look, design language by Virgil Exner, with sleek lines, pronounced tailfins, and a wide front grille. The Plaza was simpler compared to its higher trims like the Belvedere and Fury, but it still showcased all the classic late 50s design cues: wraparound windshield, chrome accents, and those attention-grabbing fins. Available in both two-door and four-door body styles, it was the perfect example of how even a base-level Plymouth still looked sharp and futuristic on the road. Interior. Moving to the interior, the Plaza was more practical than luxurious. As Plymouth's budget model, it featured a straightforward cabin design with durable bench seats, basic instrumentation, and less chrome compared to its upscale siblings. Still, it offered plenty of space for families, a wide dashboard with a symmetrical layout, and an overall airy feel thanks to the large glass area. For a 1958 car, it struck a balance between affordability and comfort. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The 1958 Plaza came with several engine options, ranging from the reliable 230 cubic inch inline-six to Plymouth's powerful V8 choices. Buyers could opt for engines like the 318 cubic inch V8, which provided smooth cruising power, or even bigger version 8S for those who wanted more muscle. Transmission options included a 3-speed manual or Plymouth's TorqueFlite automatic, which was one of the most advanced automatics of its time. On the road, the Plaza wasn't built to be a sports car, but it delivered dependable performance, solid handling, and enough power to make highway cruising effortless. Finally, in conclusion, the 1958 Plymouth Plaza represents an era when even the most affordable American cars came with style, character, and performance. While it may not have had all the chrome and luxury of the Belvedere or Fury, the Plaza held its own as a dependable, stylish, and distinctly American automobile. Today, it stands as a reminder of Plymouth's role in the golden age of Detroit and remains a cherished classic among collectors and enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look back at the 1958 Plymouth Plaza, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which classic car you'd like to see next.